Again with breaking news here at 5. A construction worker hit and killed on eastbound I-94 in St. Clair Shores.
Start things off here with Jason Colthorpe, who's live near the scene of the crash, which is right near 9 Mile. Jason.
Yeah, and you can see the traffic snarl because eastbound 94 is closed starting at 8 Mile. This is a hit and run, guys. Right now, MSP is reconstructing what happened on the freeway, and we have some video we shot just a short while ago to show you exactly how they're going through this, but it happened around 3 p.m. Troopers were called out here. The road worker was struck. We don't know how fast the car was going, but all indications are he died almost instantly. We're actually in St. Clair Shores, and the man who was killed was a Macomb County Road Commission worker. It appears, judging by what's out on the freeway and what tools are out there, that he was simply patching holes, filling potholes, and along came a vehicle that did not stop and hit him at a pretty good rate of speed, it appears. And as we say, there's no description of that vehicle right now. MSP is asking anyone who knows or was around this area around that time that might know what happened, call MSP or 313-237-2450. Now, Mark Hackel just put out a statement a moment ago. This afternoon, we were made aware of a fatality involving an employee with our Department of Roads. Our hearts go out to the family and the loved ones of this individual. The county is committed to working with the Michigan State Police to determine how this tragedy happened. That's from Mark Hackel, Macomb County Executive. And as we say, that was a road commission worker who was hit. And also MDOT chiming in, reiterating that people who are out here and go through these construction zones or see emergency vehicles need to slow down and pay attention. We'll let you know when we get an update on anything concerning this story. We're in St. Clair Shores. Jason Colthorpe, Local 4.